Eva? Are you going on your hayride? Your first hayride? Yeah? Here we are. You with Daddy? Nice shoes. You wave to Mama? Yeah? All right, Bubba. Where you going? Hey, baby. Here we go. Your first hayride. Whoa. Where are we going?
We're getting on the front one. On the way back.
All right. Here we go, Eva. Yeah. Look at all the apple trees, Eva. Coming up on the pumpkin patch.
Little pumpkin.
I don't think that's the only one. Whoa, Eva, bumpy, huh? What do you think, Bubba? Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Yep.
Now that.
What was that, honey?
That's a pumpkin patch.
Woohoo, Eva, that's a pumpkin patch over there. It's pretty bumpy.
And nicely.
Okay, we've got corn, Eva. Cornfield. Ooh, all the trees.
Now that's a pumpkin patch.
That's a pumpkin patch. Yeah. All right, Eva. Now we're at the pumpkin patch. What do you think, baby?
Where you going? Where you going?
You want to get out and go pick a pumpkin? Huh? Look at that, Eva. Wow. What do you think, Bubba?
She's ready to go pumpkin patch.
Everybody waiting to get on the hayride. Eva. What are you doing to Dada?
How are you?
Oh, he's taking off his glasses. Eva, look at you. You just sitting in the pumpkins?
Why don't you get in there and take a picture?
All right. Eva, you gonna wave? You gonna wave?